In this video, I will show you how to add a credit or debit card on Temu. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to add a credit or debit card, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to temu.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top and hover over your name up here to bring up this menu. And from here, what you want to do is scroll down and click onto your profile. Now, once you've done that, it's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, you want to come across this menu on the left-hand side. You're going to see an option down here for your payment methods. So what you want to do is go ahead, give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this where you can add your credit or debit card. So all you need to do is simply click the orange button here. What it's going to do is bring up a window like this, and what you can then do is add your card to Temu. Once you've entered your details in, just come down and click onto add your card at the bottom. And once you've done that, as you can see, that's now been added as a payment method. So that's how to add a credit or debit card on Temu. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.